Before I will start, I have to recap my first and second vlog. My first vlog was I prove it to you why Eat Bulaga, the #1 TV show in the Philippines, survived for more than 40 years. And I proved that by the numbers. And my second vlog is my references of 18 books, why I study this knowledge. Now, this will be my third vlog. Have you ever asked yourself, why are you here for? Now, I will share with you, by the way, my name is Rome, R-O-M-E. I'll prove it to you, or I will tell you about this numerology, which I studied. And you will be able to understand the purpose of your life. Number 1, how to improve your life. Are you seeking for peace and serenity? Number 3, you will be free from the bonds of your past. Number 4 will be what will you make happy? What are your natural gifts? What is the origin of conflict in your life? What are your strengths and weaknesses? How to improve your own experiences? And why is numerology is so healing? Now, I will give you an example of this by showing you your life path and how to do it. I have here on this is your life path. If you were born on August 12, 1977, just bring down the 8. And by the way, 12, you just add 1 plus 2 will become 3. 1 plus 9 will become 10 or 1. 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. Now, you will add 8 plus 3 is 11, which is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now, you will add these numbers. 2 plus 6 is 8. So, your life path will be 8. And I'll give you the meaning. What is it? And this will be your life cycle, which I will discuss on my next vlog. Now, if you are happy with my vlog, I want you to know more. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.